Don't rebuild your listing from scratch. I'll show you how to perfectly duplicate your ASIN in seconds. So if you go into Amazon, obviously you need to go into the drop down, manage all inventory. Once you're in the inventory section, find the ASIN, right? So let's say this is the ASIN that we want to do, right? And you're not going to click make a copy. If you click make a copy, right, what's going to happen is all of your reviews on this copy listing will disappear. So it's a copy. It's not an actual duplicate mirror, right? So that's fine. You can do that, but it's going to have a different ASIN, right? And the reviews are not going to show. If you want an actual duplicate, right, what we're going to do, this is example. If you do a copy, it's kind of like this. You're gonna be like, what? I need to put a new product, UPC, I need to do. But if you want to have an actual duplicate, instead of clicking copy listing, we're going to click add another condition. Click on that. When you click on that, it's going to take you to this page. And bada bing, you can see it's going to have the same exact ASIN as your current listing. You just put in a new SKU, and then you can click if you want to sell an FBA or whatever. Or and then you fill this out. No, you can fill this doesn't have this, not applicable. And then pretty much you can just create the listing. See, submit right here, submit that, wait 10 minutes. Sometimes it'll take an hour, refresh, log back out, log back in, whatever you need to do. And then boom, look, we've got a duplicate listing right here because we did this the other day. Same ASIN. Will the reviews stay? Yeah, they will. It's going to be the same exact, yeah, of course the reviews are going to stay. Nothing's going to change. So, except you have a second listing now. And if you have a second listing, you can show up twice on your own listing. So look, I sent in FBA inventory on this one, and we have FBA inventory on this one. So if we go to our listing, you'll see here's listing number 1, sold by us, and then number 2, sold by us again, right? So not too hard, right? If you need any help with Amazon, links right in the description. You can schedule a call. We're Amazon experts. Happy to help you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.